Want this? Open Capcut. Add black overlay. Type your word. Take screenshot. Add screenshot. Add overlay. DM me on Insta for overlay. Add ripple distortion effect. Add edge glow effect. Export it. Add exported video. Add overlay of exported video. Adjust it inverted to main video.
Master of the craft, 10,000 hours past. I'm master of the craft, 10,000 hours past. I'm ready to cycle fast. You thought I wouldn't last. Master of the craft, 10,000 hours past.
Export it. Thanks for watching.